dan salam sejahtera. Welcome to KL Bird Park dan selamat datang ke Taman Burung Kuala Lumpur. Okay? Alright, before that, how are you guys feeling today?
Penat.
Good. Alright. Apa khabar semua? Baik, bagus. Okay. Alright, my name is Rizwan and I'm your host for today. Okay, a little information about KL Bird Park. We have been established since 15th February 1991. And we are housing around 2,000 local and foreign birds with almost 100 different species. Okay? So, everyone, are you guys ready for the show? Sudah bersedia semua, bagus. Okay, let's start our show. Alright, I would like to welcome our first performer of today. Please welcome Ringo, our blue and gold macaw. A big hand to Ringo. And our trainer, Mr. Shafi. Ringo will raise our national flag of Malaysia, ya, menaikkan bendera Malaysia. Well done, Ringo. Good job. Yeah, thank you so much, Ringo. Burung kakak biru dan kuning. Very beautiful bird. Right, for the next performance, please welcome Mr. Green, the yellow sulfur crested cockatoo. And Mr. Raihan, our trainer. W-E-L-C-O-N-E, welcome! Selamat datang ya. We just welcome everyone to the bird show. And that's not all, we would like to show you the acrobatic skills, okay? Aksi acrobatic, ya? Okay, before that, are you ready? Are you sure? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, jump to the next thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done! Big hand to Mr. Green, ya. Terima kasih Mr. Raihan. Okay, thank you. Sebelum itu diingatkan ya, menjaga SOP. Okay. So, a little info about the white bird just now. It's easy to identify their gender through the color of their eyes. Males have dark brown eyes and females have red eyes. Okay? So now, let's continue to welcome Coco, our yellow Amazon parrot. Okay, thank you, Mr. Cakap. Baik, sekarang ya. Kita nak berborak sedikit bersama Coco. Hai, Coco. You want to say something, right, to our audience here? So, Coco, as you can see, a lot of new friends here. Can you say something to them? Dia be shy. Let's try again. Coco, are you okay today? Can you say something to them?
Hello.
Hello. Okay. So friendly. Right, Coco. Over here, as you can see, we have pretty ladies. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Very sweet, okay? Hi to all ladies, okay. Now, Coco, how about you say something to kids and children here? Can you give them a happy hello or crazy hello? Alright. Wow, what a happy hello, right? So happy today. Right, Coco, right now, I have one question for you. How do you feel today? Do you feel good or not? Good, alright. Coco feel good, okay? I feel good too. But Coco, are you sure you feel good today? If you feel good today, can you show them happy expression from your heart? Alright, Coco just laughing, okay? It means Coco feeling very happy. Alright, thank you, Coco. Big hand to Coco. Thank you. Dia tahu dia. Okay, terima kasih ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, up next we are going to do something more interesting. We're gonna have a racing competition. Okay, sekarang kita nak tengok perlombaan burung kakak cobra ya. Right, so now let me get something first. Anyway, thank you for joining our bird show today. Okay, so over here I got something ya. As you can see, I have two balls and the ring, blue and yellow color. Okay, two birds will put back the ring into the poles, and whoever finishes first is the winner. Okay, burung mana yang paling pantas ialah pemenang. Baik. Okay, now let me invite our two competitors. The first one, please welcome Ringo, our blue and gold macaw. Big hand to Ringo. Okay, and the other one is Popeye, also the blue and gold marker. Okay, this is Popeye. A big hand to Popeye. Right. Okay, Ringo and Popeye. But before we start the race, guys, I need the cheerleaders. Okay, supporters. So I will divide you guys into two teams. Okay, dua kumpulan. Right. So the first team, Team Popeye. Okay. Alright, now let me divide from here until my right side. You guys will be cheering for Popeye. Okay? Ini kumpulan Popeye. So, kita practice sikit ya. Shout as you can. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. 3 times. Okay? Jerit nama Popeye 3 kali. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boleh bisa kan? Okay, this is it. Terima kasih. Bagus, semangat ya. Okay, another team from here to my left side. You guys will be cheering for Ringo. Boleh ya? Team Ringo? Senyap je? Okay, kita practice dulu. Shout as you can. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. Alright, bagus. Terima kasih semua. Alright, thank you everyone. So now, let's get ready with the race here. Okay, Team Popeye, blue side, and Team Ringo, yellow side, okay? Remember your words. Okay, sudah, Popeye dan juga Ringo. Okay, brother? So, cheerleaders, are you guys ready? Yeah, okay now, left side, now. On your mark, get set, and go! Come on! Popeye, Ringo, okay, Team Popeye, first three. Second, Ringo! Wow, okay, the winner is Team Ringo! Wow, so happy here. Oh, what's wrong with that? Ringo City. Oh, Ringo City are here. Dia cakap City main gitu. Okay, tak apa. Let me ask that, huh? Okay guys, if you guys think that Ringo is cheating, please put out your hand. Angkat tangan. Setuju tak? Main gitu. Are you sure? Okay. Alright, if you guys think that Ringo is standing this smart, put out your hand. Bijak kan? Okay, tak apa. Anyway, every hand to Popeye. Thank you, Popeye. Wow, well done, Ringo, huh? Congratulations. So we have a prize for Ringo today, huh? Tanya, okay, kita ada apa? Papan gulungsu. Special for Ringo, huh? Okay, the sliding board. Okay, come on, Ringo. Show them your skill. Alright, good. All the way. And good. Nice one, Ringo. Wow, very cool, huh? Nice riding. Okay, thank you, Ringo and Mr. Okay, for your information, parrots are very intelligent birds. They can learn a lot of tricks and words, huh? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Big hand to Ringo. Well done. Right, ladies and gentlemen, up next, yeah? Okay, mana jadi? Okay, big hand to Jody. Thank you. Jody, the green wing macaw, green wing macaw, burung kakatua bersayap hijau, okay? Besides green, they also have blue color and red. Okay, so we have 3 empty balls, 3 mangkuk kosong. 1, 2, 3, and the wooden dice. We are going to hide the dice inside one of the ball, and Jody will find the dice. Okay, dia akan cari dadu di dalam mangkuk kosong. Okay, Jody, sudah bersedia Jody? So we are going to test Jody Einstein. How sharp Jody Einstein? Let's find out. Okay, done. Very good, Jody. Yeah! Very good, Jody. Wow, okay. Okay, lagi boleh? This time, Mr. Han will spin a bit faster. Lagi kita tengok macam mana dia boleh tak dia cari. Okay. So, jadi one more time, Jody. Focus. Alright. pening kita nak jodi. Okay. Alright, jadi I hope you can remember where is the dice. Alright, done. Come on, jadi. Yeah! Very good, jadi well done. Thank you so much, jadi. And Mr. Rehan. Okay, for your information, yeah, maka they have eyesight. Seven times sharper than human being, okay? Terima kasih Jody. Okay, thank you Jody. Thank you. Okay, untuk performance seterusnya, please welcome Julie, our yellow sulfur crested cockatoo. Okay? Okay, nama dia Julie ya. Orang kata berjambul kuning. Okay? Alright, so untuk Julie kita ada a color wooden block. So Julie will arrange back the wooden block according to shape and color. Okay? Sebabkan cuaca agak panas, kita bagi sejuk sikit. Okay? Okay Julie, sudah bersedia? Alright, bagus. Very good. Yellow, done. Blue, and last one. Red! Very good, Julie. Well done. Baik, sekali lagi, Syafiq. Okay, one more time, okay? So this time, we put the blocks together, okay? Which one? Red. Very good. And then, yellow. Well done. Okay, next one. Blue, okay. And one more to go. Come on, where is it? Alright! Very good, Julie. Well done. Thank you so much, okay? For your information, this type of cockatoo, they can be found a lot in the country like Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea, and also Indonesia, okay? Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Julie. Well done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, up next, we are going to have a free flight performance. Cuba cari video. Nampak ya video? Agak jauh ke depan. Nanti dia akan datang. Okay. Baik, a little info about Zizu. Same as Jody, green wing macaw is the second largest macaw in the world. Burung kakatua kedua terbesar di dunia ya. And they are native to South America. Berasal dari Amerika Selatan. Okay. And their favorite food such as sunflower seeds, peanut, sucrose, vegetables. Okay. Variety of food. Okay, makanan kegemaran seperti kuaci, kacang, sayuran, buah-buahan. Okay. And their average lifespan can reach up to 40 to 60 years old. Yang terhayat boleh mencapai 40 hingga 60 tahun. Okay. So there are variety of macaw in the world. Besides green macaw and blue and gold. In Kuala we also have a scarlet macaw. Okay. Baru very smart bird, you can teach them a lot of tricks. Alright, thank you so much Zizu. Big hand to Zizu. Okay, next one, last but not least. Cuaca agak panas hari ni, so last one. Although we would like to entertain everyone here, but we also need to respect wildlife and nature. Okay? Sekarang kita tengok bagaimana burung kakatua menjaga kebersihan. Baik. So now please welcome Q, our last blue and gold macaw. Yeah, very good. Good example, right? If the parrot can do this, also can we. So please keep our environment clean. Jaga kebersihan. Yeah, excellent. We thank you to our last blue and gold macaw. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show, and I would like to introduce once again our team of trainers. Okay? Have a nice day, and bye-bye.